GIT workflow for Helm. What is a GIT workflow for Helm? A GIT workflow for Helm is the structured process teams use to manage Helm charts in Kubernetes application configuration safely using GIT. It defines how Helm charts are updated, how values, YAML files are changed, how chart versions are released, how production deployments are controlled. Why it matters for Helm. Helm charts control live Kubernetes apps. One wrong value can break deployments. Rollbacks must be fast. Releases happen frequently. So workflow equals stability plus control plus safe Helm deployments. Why Helm projects need a proper GIT workflow? Helm projects usually include Helm charts, templates, deployment, YAML, service, YAML, etc. Values files, values, YAML, env specific values, chart version files, CI, CD configs. Without workflow, cross-mark broken releases, cross-mark failed installs, cross-mark hard rollbacks, cross-mark merge conflicts, cross-mark no release history. With workflow, check mark stable deployments, check mark predictable releases, check mark easier debugging, check mark safer changes, check mark better teamwork. Typical branch structure for Helm. Common structure. Main means production ready charts. Develop means active chart changes. Feature branches means new features. Release branches means prepare chart release. Hotfix branches means urgent fixes. Example: main, develop, feature, add HPA. Feature, Redis chart. Release, version 1.5.0. Hotfix, bad values. Why? Protects production releases. Supports parallel work. Enables controlled releases. Feature branch workflow. Helm. For each task, create branch from develop. Update Helm templates or values. Test chart locally. Helm template. Helm lint. Deploy to dev cluster. Validate rendering. Commit changes. Push branch. Open pull request. Review and merge into develop. Why? Isolates risky changes. Prevents breaking production. Enables review. Bad practice. Cross-mark edit charts directly in main. Cross-mark deploy without review. Good practice. Check mark one chart change per branch. Check mark one feature per branch. Pull requests in Helm projects. PRs are used to review Helm templates, review values files, check resource limits, validate labels and selectors, run automated tests. PR should include check mark clear description, check mark link issue, ticket, check mark test results, check mark release notes. Why? Prevents broken deployments, documents chart changes, improves quality. Bad PR. Cross-mark no description. Cross-mark no tests. Cross-mark huge PR. Commit strategy for Helm. Commits should be small, atomic, descriptive, good commit messages. Add auto-scaling to a P chart. Fix service port in values, YAML. Update chart version to 1.3.0. Bad commit messages. Update. Fix. Final. Why? Easy rollback. Easy debugging. Clean GIT history. Daily workflow in Helm teams. Typical flow. Pull latest develop. Create feature branch. Update chart templates. Test with Helm. Commit changes. Push branch. Create PR. Review and merge. Why? Prevents conflicts. Keeps work isolated. Keeps releases stable. Hotfix workflow for Helm. When production breaks, create hotfix branch from main. Fix chart or values. Test quickly. Release patched chart. Create PR. Merge into main. Merge into develop. Why? Fast recovery. Keeps branches aligned. Prevents repeat issues. Example: hotfix, wrong image tag. Release strategy for Helm. Releases should be planned, tested, versioned. Good approach. Create release branch. Freeze changes. Run integration tests. Package Helm chart. Publish chart. Deploy to production. Tag version. Example: release, version 2.1.0. Why? Safe deployments. Easy rollback. Clear version history. Code review culture. Helm teams. Review focuses on templates, security, resource usage, upgrade behavior, backward compatibility, not personal opinions, blame, style wars. Why? Fewer outages, better reliability, knowledge sharing, CI/CD in Helm workflow. Automation should run Helm lint, render charts, run tests, package charts, publish to chart repo, deploy to cluster, on every PR, run tests, lint charts, validate templates. Why? Prevents broken releases, saves time, builds confidence. Tools: Helm, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Jenkins, Argo CD, Flux. Common Helm Git mistakes: direct commits to main, no PR reviews, no tests, manual cluster changes, no version tags. Why? Risky deployments, hard debugging, no audit trail, naming conventions, branches, feature, auth chart, feature, HPA support, release, version 1.2.0, hotfix, image tag, commits, add, fix, update, refactor. Example: fix Helm values for prod. Why? Easy tracking, professional history, easy auditing. How Git workflow helps Helm projects scale. As system grows, more charts, more services, more developers, more releases. Good workflow. Check mark keeps charts manageable. Check mark improves onboarding. Check mark reduces failures. Check mark controls complexity. Real life analogy: Helm Git workflow is like ship navigation system. Without system, ship crashes. With system, safe travel. Branches equals routes. PRs equals safety checks. Main equals destination. In simple words, Helm Git workflow means change charts, review change, release chart, deploy safely. Best strategy for Helm projects. Use check mark feature branches, check mark release branches, check mark mandatory PRs, check mark CI automation, check mark protected main branch. Avoid cross mark direct main commits, cross mark no testing, cross mark no reviews. In Helm projects, your Git commits control Kubernetes deployments. A good Git workflow. Check mark protects production. Check mark supports teamwork. Check mark reduces failures. Check mark builds trust.